everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning with Sarthak and Aditi. So today's video we are going to unbox this piggy bank. So let's gonna open this. So guys, it is opening. So first you have to subscribe our channel. Wow, it is opening. Oh, it is open. See? So guys, we are opening this. This is Doraemon piggy bank, I think. Yeah, it is Doraemon piggy bank. So this is for Sarthak. Sarthak is too excited. Hello, Sarthak.
Guys, please subscribe our channel and like our channel.
So guys, it is open. As you can see, secret code lock. We can do the lock also. Voice, and let's open it now. Oh, it is open. Wow.
Wow.
What is this? What is this? So guys, these are Doraemon cards. Let's go play together. Let's go play together. Wow. So now let's open it. Wow, Shizuka, Doraemon, Nobita. This is a pamphlet. How to keep them, how to use it, how to keep money. So this is the Doraemon piggy bank, and here is the locker. We can open with it, and we can use the password also. And from here there will be cells. As you can see, we have to put it. So Sarthak, how you like it?
I like it because it is a Doraemon and I like it, and we collect our money in this.
Oh wow, it has a hanger also, and from here we can keep our money. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Bye bye.